Yeah.
Because when we met for coffee, you
Yes.
said that, you know, something was happening, but you couldn't talk about it then, and then it happened, and we
Yeah.
saw you on screen. Now you have stepped, like, you know, full throttle into the television industry.
Yeah.
Pehli baat to ye hai ki, okay, but you knew the television industry before.
Yeah, somewhat.
More or less.
Yeah,
You've not
yeah.
styled any TV dramas or anything.
No,
As you said, there's never a style department.
So
Hota hai,
they
wardrobe to
have
hota hai.
in-house, they have in-house
बुरे से होते
people.
हैं, yeah.
अब वो बुरे अच्छे.
अमूमन बुरे ही होते हैं.
But I think mostly actors are doing their
खुद
own.
करते हैं, exactly.
So I think it's mostly actors doing their own wardrobe, and I think that's this case in this also.
Yeah.
I mean, I did my own wardrobe. Everybody else does their own.
Yeah.
So yeah, but it's the first, like, I'm just acting.
You're just acting, purely acting.
Yeah, purely
Absolutely.
acting.
So, Vardha, how does it feel to be right now the annoying girl on television as Faria? Who got roughed up, by the way, this time. Although I
But
think
it was so funny.
it was so funny. I mean, I haven't seen the episode, but I saw the clips and all
Okay,
that.
okay.
So I'm assuming it was a dream sequence, and she's thinking,
It was. I put up some BTS also, and it was so funny because we were laughing hysterically while shooting. We were like, वो आपकी सुई नहीं अटक जाती और आप हंस रहे होते हैं कि आपको सांस, like, it was literally
पढ़
like,
रहे थे.
it was insane. Yeah.
Tell me about that scene. How did it feel to get beaten up by Hania Amir? कैसा लगा आपको हानिया से मार?
वो इतने प्यार से मुझे कर रही थी. She was like, मैं सिर्फ पकड़ूंगी, तुम खुद कर लेना. So if you see, like, I put up some BTS on my profile, like whatever little stuff that I had. And there's a scene where she, like, puts my head down. So she was just supposed to hold my head. And ऊपर लेके आना था, तो उसने कहा तुम खुद ही लेके आना. तो मैंने कहा शायद वो 2-3 दफा करेगी ना, like she's banging, like it's very. So the BTS, like, where she's like does this and then खुद ही सर ऊपर नीचे कर रही है, and we just like break into laugh. She's like ये रुक ही नहीं रही है, like मैंने उसने हाथ रखा है, she's like बहुत acting कर रही है. So it was really funny again, like the part where she was supposed to pull my hair. She's like, I'm not gonna pull your hair, but you know, whatever the thing that I did, and it was actually really fun. Like, I just wish we had more BTS for that scene.
Yeah.
Because it's so much fun to see how something was shot. It was very funny. But yeah, it was, well, but I think, and I know a lot of people were really happy about it. They
were like,
this is what she deserves, and this is what should have happened to her. And, you know, our audience, I think the masses generally, like people, I'm still learning, and I know I'm very new to all of this. They think you are who your character is.
Yeah.
Right? I've had people like messaging me and coming on to my profile and other pictures, not Meri Zindagi Hai Tu related, commenting and saying, काम यार की जिंदगी से दूर रहो, तुम ऐसे बन के रहोगी तो वो तुम्हें पसंद करेगा, तुम ऐसे रहो.
How does that feel?
And I'm just like, guys, like, I ignore it for the most part, but then I'm also like just thinking that they need to understand that this is a character. This
Are
is
you
not.
amused by it though?
I am. Okay, it's all very new to me, you know. तो मुझे हंसी आती है बहुत में, and it's just, and also because, you know, Hania and Bilal, they've got like a huge fan following and stuff, and lovers, and you know, people who are obsessed with them. तो उनके जो lovers और सारे हैं, वो मुझे ऐसे वो messages करती हैं कि तुम क्यों उनकी जिंदगी में हो, हट जाओ. And मैं कहती हूँ यार, तो sometimes मैंने 1-2 पे reply भी किया, तो मैंने कहा मेरे प्यार का क्या? मैंने कहा तुम निकल जाओ, तो मैंने कहा मेरा प्यार. Like, you know, it's this the character. So yeah, but
fun. But you're having fun.
I'm having fun. It's also because I think हमें ड्रामे में ना हमना इतना टाइम नहीं मिलता.
Yeah.
Like especially serials, के 24 episodes होते हैं. Let's say they stretch to even 26 or 30. To basically, I know there's a backstory to my character, and there's a backstory to every. And there's a backstory to every character. You can't show everything.
Yeah.
Right. Like if we're talking about my character, let's say, like I know that she is somebody, let's say, you know, she's tough. The first scene where you see her is where she steps out of that cyber truck and she holds the...
जिसकी guest appearance थी एक episode के लिए cyber truck की, उसके बाद
और episode में नहीं आया था,
नहीं, वो बेच दिया, अब तो उसने बेच दिया.
अब तो बेच दिया है, but पहले 2 में तो आया होगा. वो तो उसने कहा कि भाई इतने malnutrition लोग हैं, and you know all of that. But that first scene, so you know you can tell that she's confident. नहीं डरती वो किसी
totally.
से. और वो हर वक्त पूरे वक्त हर किसी को जाके बोल रही है मैं थाने पहुंचा दूंगी, मैं ये कर दूंगी, मैं ये कर दूंगी, तो मैं जेल, you know, like all of that. Entitled. But then you also see that she's so vulnerable and she's so lonely, you know, that she doesn't, like, there's a soft side to her also. Like, there's an outer tough shell, but the minute, even the first scene where they're at the party, like, you see her, she's full of life and she's dancing, and even with, like, Kamya, like, he's twirling her around and all of that. But the minute he says, tum chali jao, so there's, you know, she drops and, like, she goes home, and there's this whole episode where,
you know, home with a bottle of
with the champagne.
Champagne thi ke wine thi with the champagne?
Champagne thi. That, and then she goes home, and then she tries to call her mom.
And she's on some kind of medication as well, so she is on antidepressants or something.
Yeah, so you can tell that there is something with
there's
her.
This broken home. There's a
Yeah,
mother
like broken home, and you know. So I feel like that is very visible and evident, and I know people can see it because they're having sympathy also.
Yeah.
Like in one scene, I saw somebody's comment. They said, "Why we hate this character, but why do we feel bad for her?" You know, because in this one scene, in the last episode or something, she says she goes to Kamyar and she's like, you know, मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा था कि मैं किसके पास जाऊँ, मैं तुम्हारे पास आ गई. So she's so lonely.
Yeah.
And every time you see her outside at Ira's or with the mom or with friends, you can tell that, you know, there's nothing wrong with her. But the minute you see her alone or with Kamyar or her dad or like speaking to her mom, she's sad. Like, you know, she has this, she's got abandonment issues, she's got childhood trauma. And even with Kamyar, like, you know, and let's say agar wo uske saath ho chuka hai pehle bhi, this whole rejection and all of that, she's so scared to be even abandoned
by him,
by Kamyar. And you know, because आपने हमेशा सोचा होता है ना कि बस यही है मेरा, इसी से शादी होगी and like whatever, because वो इतनी दफा बोलती है कि भाई तुम्हारी लाइफ में तो कोई टिकता ही नहीं है, उसको लगता है कि भाई ये है and this, she will get him. And I think in normal life also, maybe like a lot of people I won't say not able to relate, but I myself come from a broken family, and kids actually do really feel the pressure, not pressure, but like the outcome of parents getting separated or like, you know, things going wrong in the house.
I'm sorry we didn't touch upon that as well.
No, it's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah. So
is there a reflection of that in the character as well?
There is, like, you know, you can tell that the parents are separated. And the last episode, she also says that, you know, I really miss my mom and I love her, but मेरी उनके husband से नहीं बनती. And I also miss her a lot, but उनके husband